Now, and what the Treasury CS says is aimed at easing the burden caused by accident. His budget is proposing a third-party policy for boda and three-wheeler operators known as tuk-tuks. The move comes at a time when the government is attempting to streamline the boda sector amid a growing public outcry. Martin Mwangi has the latest.
For the last few weeks, the boda industry has been in the eye of a storm over what many see as a sector gone rogue. The CS is now zeroing on the rising burden of accidents caused by boda riders across the country, proposing radical changes to their insurance policy. The CS wants motorcycle riders and three-wheeler operators to have mandatory insurance covers for their passengers to mitigate the risk.
In the recent times, motorcycles and three-wheelers have increasingly been engaged in commercial fare-paying passengers business. Unfortunately, the number of accidents in this category of business have been on a steady rise, yet the owners of motorcycles do not have insurance cover to cater for any treatment in case of injuries or compensation in case of death or any other damages caused by an accident involving motorcycles. In this respect, I propose to amend the insurance regulations to require motorcycles and three-wheelers used by fare-paying passengers to take insurance for their passengers.
The proposal comes at a time when the government is attempting to streamline the industry. After a female motorist was sexually assaulted along Professor Wangari Maathai Road in Nairobi last month, President Uhuru Kenyatta announced a crackdown on the boda sector. A section of politicians heavily criticized the exercise for alleged high-handedness. The crackdown was later suspended as the government attempted to establish an implementation framework through a multi-sector committee. The Ministry of Interior, on the other hand, has been registering boda riders at Huduma centers across the country, a process that will run until June 30th. This new proposal is bound to be the latest talking point in an industry that is loved and loathed in equal fashion. Martin Mwangi, NTV.